Hi, friends. It's Bob and Fran, healthy aging coaches and authors of the best-selling book, 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age.
We are fortunate to have spent a lot of time in Thailand over a 9-year period. This 95% Buddhist country is nicknamed the Land of Smiles. Thailand is known for its very friendly people and their very laid-back attitude. We would like to share with you a wonderful and wise life-changing strategy that we learned there early on and have made it a personal practice. In the Thai language, it's called Mai Pen Rai.
Mai Pen Rai is a Thai phrase for never mind. In America, when we say never mind, it is most commonly the result of a disagreement, and we usually turn and walk away in a huff. But in Thailand, it literally means to put it out of your mind. Why? Because it's not so important. It just is what it is.
Here's a good example. Several years ago, we were standing in front of a shop in Chiang Mai, Thailand, waiting for a friend. We watched as a public bus stopped near us. Behind the bus, there was a young man on a motor scooter. The bus came to a halt. He couldn't stop fast enough, and his scooter turned and slid on its side. To our horror, he and the scooter slid under the bus.
Of course, the bus driver had no idea of what had just happened, and the bus pulled away. The young man then got up, brushed himself off, righted his scooter, said Mai Pen Rai, smiled, and went on his way.
This nothing is a big deal outlook seems to be built into the culture of this country. It helps people to accept things as they are and stay calm and under control and move on. They simply put it out of their minds.
Laid back for sure. Mai Pen Rai is not just the Thai way or the Buddhist way. It can work for everywhere, anytime. It's just up to us, a choice we choose to make. Recently, we were invited to a friend's home for dinner. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we practiced social distancing outside under an umbrella on their deck. The weather was beautiful when we got there. There was no rain in the forecast. But as soon as we started eating, the heavens opened up and it started pouring.
Here, we had a choice. We could get upset, disappointed, or ticked off. Or we could laugh and say, Mai Pen Rai, enjoy the dinner with our backsides getting soaked, and then throw all our clothes into the dryer when we got home.
And that is exactly what we did. The idea is that nothing, no thing, is that important for you to lose your cool, get upset, and become totally stressed out. So, next time someone spills something on your new sweater, cuts you off in traffic, you accidentally delete something off your computer, or a repairman doesn't show up, you get the idea. Just say Mai Pen Rai and put it out of your mind.
There are also health benefits relating to Mai Pen Rai. Lower blood pressure, less anxiety, less worrying, calmer mind, better sleep, stronger immune system, and it helps you to stay young and even reverse the aging process.
To us, Mai Pen Rai means the gentle acceptance of life as it unfolds. It can stand for it doesn't matter, no worries, no big deal, what is done, or similar. It is one's understanding that something happened and cannot be undone. It's about not overreacting to anything. It's about rowing downstream with the flow of life. A reminder to slow down, take a breath, and not take things so seriously. We encourage you to integrate Mai Pen Rai into your life.
Please share your experiences on how you have reacted to certain situations, good or not so good, in the comments section below. And we hope that you'll subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos like this one, and press the notification bell to get alerts of new ones. We'll see you again soon, so in the meantime, stay healthy, happy, and young in body, mind, and attitude.